Hello everyone, welcome to the day 1 of Advanced Python Masterclass. Welcome to all, this is Sankar Ganesh from Pantech e-learning. So once again, I welcome to all and good evening to all. So today we are all discussing about advanced concepts of Python, right? Yeah, good evening to all and good evening to all of us. So today we are discussing about advanced Python concept, right? So we are all most of the people we are all know. So what is basics Python, right? So we are all know how basics Python, how to work and what is Python. We are all know. Generally you know. So in this masterclass we are all discussing about advanced Python, right? Advanced Python concepts. So don't worry about that. I am starting with the basics to advanced. Okay. So don't worry about. I will explain you to starting with the basics into advanced concept. Okay. So before that, I will explain you a small introduction for us. Okay. First, small introduction of our company. First, our company name is Pantech e-learning. So we are starting at the 2004. We have 20 years experience in this education platform field. And what is our main mission? We have helped 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy way. That is our main mission. And we have lots of masterclass we have conducted, right? So what kind of masterclass that are? One is in Python programming, advanced Python programming, Python full stack and machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and Java programming, Java full stack, React.js, web development full stack, embedded system, IoT using Raspberry Pi, computer vision, image processing using MATLAB, and artificial intelligence also using MATLAB Simulink, EV design, and renewable energy design, and like Amazon AWS, Amazon Web Services, and also VLSI. So these are all our masterclass we are conducted successfully. Till the masterclass are run repeatedly, we will conducted month-wise. So next we are all move on to the what is masterclass exactly. So masterclass is there are 21 days industrial learning activity that is called as a masterclass. So it is an online YouTube live classes. If you invest 45 minutes daily, you will become a master of advanced Python programming. You will get an e-certificates also, that is then based on your attendance. Okay, that is called as a webinar participation certificate. Okay. So next one, in these certificates we will provide for attendance based, right? If you have 70% attendance, then you will we will provide the certificates for you. Okay. So how to mark your attendance in this YouTube live class? So this is the answer for question is during the live class, organizer will post Google Form link in live chat only. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. So if you want any prerequisites, don't worry about that. No prerequisites for this session, because I will teach you from basics concept to advanced concept. Okay, so don't worry about that. If you can regularly follow to our class, you can become a Python Pro after 21 days. Definitely, I will tell you. Okay. So you will be doing 8+ projects with me in this masterclass. Okay. So regularly follow to our class. So first of all, we are entering the topic. Okay. So first we are in this today's session, day 1 session of this one, we are discussing about introduction of Python. So what is advanced Python and introduction of basics Python? Both are we will discussing in this today's session. Okay. So first, what is advanced Python? So anyone can tell me what is Python? Anyone kindly tell to me what is Python, general Python, what is that? Kindly anyone can reply for this. What is Python? Okay, good evening to all. all of us, yeah, programming language. Okay, super Tariq Ashad. Yeah, programming language, coding, programming, general purpose programming language, used to develop application, programming language, Python is a high level. Yeah, super. Very good to all, and thank you for your responses. Okay, thank you. Simpler programming language, popular programming language, like in software development. Yeah, exactly. Python is meant to handle the all kind of program. Yeah, super. Okay, thank you for your response. Thank you to all. Okay, so Python essence, to develop the applications, all of us, applications or web application, desktop application, to develop the game. So Python is some kind of programming language. In commonly we know there are it's the most common and familiar languages are C++, Java and Python. Till now these three kind of languages is very familiar, right? So Python is also one kind of familiar language to that, right? So that is the thing. Advanced Python is also same like that, right? So Python language is a very versatile language and it is used in many technical fields. So some fields require only basics knowledge of Python, but some fields require advanced Python, advanced concepts, some kind of jobs to expected that. That is such as data science, artificial intelligence and robotics also. So advanced Python is included that it is kind of three things like data science, artificial intelligence, robotics, and the next one framework like Django, Flask, full stack. These kind of things are enclosed with an advanced Python, called as an advanced Python, right? So that is the thing we are all discussing about in this masterclass. Okay, so in this advanced Python in this advanced Python topics tutorial, you will learn about various advanced Python concepts with additional resources so that you can master yourself in Python programming language. So in any kind of department, we have improve our growth, right? Improve our skill. Then only we have move on to the next step. Same like that, the basics Python is just overview of all topics. But in depth of the all kind of topics, then only we can improve, right? In school days also or college days, we are all study about that our domain. We are starting study with the basics only, right? In college days also or school days also, we have studied our domain, like for example computer science or agriculture. In any kind of domain, we are study about in the school days and college days. We are just the basic things will be learned. We are move on into the work, then only we can learn in practical wise, improve our skill. We have learned about advanced what is the topics or advanced skills, then only we can improve. Okay, that also same like that. The advanced Python is also getting the advanced concepts. Then in future sessions I will explain to one by one what is what kind of advanced concepts are there. I will learn explain to you. Okay, so next one is why advanced Python can be used. Python is a programming language, popular programming language. We all know, so Python is a popular programming language. Same like that, Python is a very popular language among developers and is used in a variety of applications. Learning advanced Python can you help get a new job and get a new promotion. Already told this one, right? If you have to learn about and improve your skill, you will move on to the next step, right? Same like that, if you have learned about that in Python basics to learn knowing the topic, right? We have learn about these advanced concepts, then only we can improve own applications or create own applications and own framework. This kind of things we are learned about the advanced concept, then only we can these are all things we will do, right? If you have studied basics Python, there is no harm. Basic is easy to all, like most of the people easily understand the basics concept, but advanced concepts are little more difficult with the basics, right? So that is the thing, advanced Python, as it will only help you in your career, right? So if you not only with Python advanced concept only, in all kind of things, all kind of domains, we will improve our skills. That is helps to our life career, right? That also mentioned in this line. So next one, we have all major advanced Python concepts the list is designed in a systematic order so that you can easily learn this concept in a flow. In all kind of things we will discussing learn about a different topic and new things we will learn day by day, then only we can do with an improve our skill flow, right? By workflow we will maintain that, right? So next one, what can advanced Python do? So it can be used on a server to create a web application, can be used alongside software to create workflow, can connect database system, and can be used big data and complex mathematics. So in advanced generally Python will be do all these are all things, right? Generally we will tell basics Python also we do with all things, but advanced Python it's easy to understand and easily like do with that, right? Then only we can learn about advanced concept. Already I told, right? Advanced Python to create and develop the web applications also and the desktop applications also, and to create a workflow and software workflow and complex mathematics, algorithms, in all kind of things to learn about in advanced Python only. Okay, so next one, what is the difference between Python and advanced Python? In the name also is tells that Python is a basics Python and advanced Python. These both are we will said. So what is the difference between? The basic Python having a basics function and basics concept are presented here. Advanced Pythons to what is that? To have an advanced concept, advanced data structures. These are all things include that. Okay. So basic Python it includes basic functional concept of Python like syntax, keywords, data types, and data structures. These are all things. Same like that, you might also see some basics function like libraries also, pandas and matplotlib. These are also basics library for Python, right? In advanced Python, it includes more complex topics of Python like data structures, decorators, generators, and Itertools. So some advanced libraries like NumPy, sklearn, these are all comes to the advanced concept. In this framework, having a Django Flask also comes to the advanced Python, right? So this is the thing. So next one, we will differentiate between like what is that other programming language to Python, right? So do you see that? Already I told like there are most common and familiar languages are C++, Java, and Python till now, right? So we will differentiate between these kind of languages, three languages. So first we want hello everyone, the single word only we are all want. Okay, we all need. So what will we do? First of all, we what is that? Seeing about C++. C++, do you see that we will create integer main and standard count and to get like write a return function. This kind of three functions we will write. Then only the hello everyone, the like that single word we will get, right? Same like the Java. You see the Java, we have created one kind of class and mentioned the class name, and to create this what is that argument passing the values. Then only our output will become. But you see the Python is a single word. Already we know, right? Python is an easy to understand. This is the thing we will say. Python is an easy to understand language, right? So print hello everyone. The single word will help you to print our output, right? So this is the thing. We will say Python is an easy to understand, right? So okay, fine. So applications of Python. So what is the applications? These are our applications also. Advanced Python also, right? So web applications, desktop applications, game development, data science, image processing, database management. These are all also advanced Python applications, right? So already most of the people we know. So what is web applications? What is desktop application? What is game development? What is data science? What is image processing and database management also? So now I will show the example for one by one. I show the example for a web application and a desktop application. In every application, I will show the example for this one. Okay. So first, we are discussing about web application development. So we all know the web application is called as Django and Flask is very familiar for to create a framework of this web application. Web application is to working with a web browser, that is called as a web application. So example for what is it? Flipkart, Amazon, next Instagram, Facebook. These are all example for this web application. Okay. So I will show the example for this Flask. Okay. So this is the basic and simple example for Flask. Okay. So already I told you like yeah, Flask is one kind of framework, creating a framework, right? So I will using the small and very easy example for this. I will show you just the example only. Then only I can show you this one. So now I creating a from Flask. What is that? Yeah, Flask framework and using the some functions like Flask, render template and a request. These are all working with an HTML and CSS type, right? First I will passing one kind of argument like app person Flask. I will passing the name in like what is it? Name constructor and using the root like route application and app.route is a register thing and creating a kind of function and passing the render template to the HTML code. So in this HTML code to passing the values in the next page, right? So we all know how to the web page will be work. Once we will open one kind of web page, that web page is in starting home page. Like now I click the one button, let's move on to the next page. That process in between that, this HTML code will helps to transfer the data into the next page, right? That is the thing. So this is just HTML and confirm HTML. There are two kind of HTML. What is that code are there? Once I will run this one, then only you can understand, right? So I will run this. Is executed like one kind of IP address. It is called as an IP address, right? So I already told we are creating a web application, right? Then only the web IP address will be posted to me, right? Now I click this web application like this link or IP address, that is move on and passing to the web page. So in all kind of website having one kind of IP address, we all know. So all kind of web pages having the IP address, that is the thing. This is one kind of local IP address, right? Okay, screen is not clear. Okay, now I will just show an example only, right? I am not explaining this one, right? Now I show the example for one kind of framework, Flask framework. Okay. All of you kindly listen to that. Now I will show you the example only, not explain this code. Okay. Just listen. I will in future session I will explain one by one in each code. I will explain to you. Screen is not clear. Okay. Check your internet. So I have not problem for all. I will all okay. Your voice is not clear. Okay, right. Now it's clear. My voice is clear now. Okay. So again I say to you, I am not explaining this code. I will just show you one kind of example only. Okay. So what is framework? Okay. Framework is to build a what is that screen. Now we are see the website like a website YouTube. Sorry, not like YouTube. Website Instagram homepage and Facebook homepage. These are all things we are all know. Voice problem. My voice is clear or not? Okay, thank you for your response. If you are all not clear the screen, kindly check your internet. Already I maximize my screen. Yeah, okay, thank you for your response. Okay, I will continue. So first I will show you kind of basic simple example. Okay, it is an example for Flask framework. Now I run this one, then in future sessions I will definitely explain in one by one. Okay, so first I run this code. Is executed likewise a web application, right? Now I click this link, it is open to the web page. It is a kind of web page, right? So and I already told like it's a simple web application, right? Oh, blur. Okay, read clearly. Okay, fine. So now I will run my code. Okay, this is my code. Say example for Flask framework. Okay, so now I run this one. So I have getting one kind of IP address, website IP address. In all kind of website having a kind of IP address, right? That is the thing. That is the one kind of IP address, local IP address. Local IP address. So then only I can use this. Now I click this link, is move on to the web application, like web page. It is one kind of web page, right? So now I fill my data, like for example Shankar. So this is my name, right? Shankar, and 20, like what is it, 24, and citizen like Madurai, Chennai, all of that. So this is Chennai. I will register this, enter. So automatically the web page will move on to the next one. Oh, screen is not clear. Okay. So wait a minute, I will check it. Oh, the problem is VS Code screen only. Okay, fine, I understand. Okay. So now I check it in later. So now it's not for time. So other screens are clear, right? Okay, thank you for your response. So now I will enter my data, and this Flask framework passing my data into the next page. This is the next page. This is a registration success, and my data passing data's name Shankar and age 24, city is in Chennai. It is executed. Like it is one kind of basic and simple example for Flask framework. Okay. Again I tell you, I am not explaining this code. Okay. Just I show you the example only, right? Now we are move on to the next slide. So it is a web application development. So next one is a desktop application. So desktop applications, we all know like WhatsApp, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram. These are all things also we have getting a desktop application, because it is login page, right? The name, user ID, password is called as giving the input to user. We are creating your user ID and creating a kind of password. These are all things to give the input. Then only we are move on to the next one. Okay. Okay. So this is example for WhatsApp. We all download it in browser. We have downloaded the application of WhatsApp and Instagram, Facebook. These are all using with the web applications also, and download it. We are all called as a desktop application, right? So most of us we are creating that. So Tkinter and Kiwi is most popular and familiar like application for to creating the package for desktop application. Okay. So now I showing this one also example for this one. I show the example for this calculator. So a calculator is a best example for this one, right? Okay. Oh, sorry. So I run this one. Okay. So this is the basic, it's a coding like a code for to create the calculator application. Okay, that is a calculator is a desktop application. Okay, so this is the basic code. Again I tell you, I am not explaining this code. Okay, just I show you the example and run it. Then we have move on to the projects type and enter into the topics. I will explain one by one. Okay, all of us understand this. So now I run this one. Okay, do you see that this is the calculator application using to Tkinter. Okay, using Tkinter to create this create this page. It's one kind of application page, right? So now you click this button, like numbers 96 and plus 54 is equal to, is calculated that. And again I clear this one, and again click the buttons and multiply to 5, and is equal, like totally calculated at 125. Okay, yeah, okay, thank you for your response. So this is the overall example for Tkinter. This is the Tkinter logo. You go and check out the Google. The Tkinter logo also displays that, right? This is the example for Tkinter. And next one. Okay, so before that I will explain one thing. I will inform one thing. If you are converting in the masterclass into 1 month internship, what is the benefits of this internship? All 30 days recording sessions I will give, you will get, and all 30 days presentations and exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, and internship confirmation letter, 90 days of LMS course access, assignment plus task, and weekly live sessions, resume building, and mock test. Internship participation certificates also we will provide to you. And in that course registration fees are 1,999, but we are discount to you 899. Okay, in this registration link we will giving to a chat box and posted on description also. If you anyone interested, kindly use the link and register in our internship. It's a limited time offer, so internship will closed on coming 17, so don't miss it. And again we will offer to you one bundle course, the 3-in-1 bundle course. In this bundle course having a machine learning, artificial intelligence, and AWS in Python, in 3 type of courses in one bundle course, so don't miss this one. So in this bundle course benefits, what is that? All 90 days recording access, all 90 days presentations, exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, 1 year validity, assignments plus task, 4-week live sessions, 3 internships participation certificates we will provide to you. And in this bundle course registration fees 2,999, but we will offer 2 discount fees 1,299. In this registration link also we will post it on chat box plus description. So if you have interested, kindly use this link and register to that. This also closes at coming 17, so don't miss it. So next one, we are moving to the game development. So already told, game development is also one kind of applications of Python, right? So if you are creating any kind of game, we will using the Pygame package. It is using for to creating all kind of games, right? So Pygame is one kind of package to create the gaming, right? This one also I will show the example. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so this is the game's overall code, right? So now I run this one also, then only you can understand. Oh, sorry. Again run this. We see that this is the game, Pygame, just a small snake game, like a simple snake game. Just I will show you an example for this one, right? If you use the Pygame package to create the one kind of game, all kind of game, not only snake game only, you have create all kind of games, right? This is the thing. So if you have hit on the wall, automatically the game will be closed. So this is the example for Pygame package. Okay, so this is the example game development using Pygame package to build one kind of game, not only snake game, like puzzle, like rolling ball, and PlayStation games, like all kind of games we will building into this Pygame package, right? So next one, database. So we all know, so what is database? Database using to SQL and MySQL. So storing the data in kind of in one kind of platform that is called as a database. if we are all creating one kind of account, like one kind of Instagram account or Facebook account, we will passing our details like our name, our user ID, our password, and our date of birth, and like what is our city, in all kind of things we are giving into the data of system, in our system storing that is using for SQL and MySQL to storing the data, right? That is called as a database. So next one, data science. So data science is it's a different, like it's called as machine learning. Data science is also machine learning. So machine learning is used for to create a model to train our system, that is called as machine learning. That is not different libraries are available like pandas, NumPy, like matplotlib, data visualization, Seaborn, and then SQL like scikit-learn, TensorFlow. In varieties of libraries are present, like available in data science. In these libraries we will using to create the model and training the model and predicting our output. That is called as data science. So now I showing to the example for this data science session. Okay. What is that? Yeah. So this is the heart disease prediction. It is some kind of project. It's a medical health related, health department related kind of project. It is an heart disease prediction, right? So I will getting the libraries like NumPy, Pandas, SQL, these are all data science libraries, like machine learning libraries. In these libraries to use and to predicting the data in our project. Our project is an heart disease prediction. Our target is now we will giving you one kind of patient details, right? These are also one kind of patient details, like age 63 age, one kind of male, having a cholesterol range and what is that, FBPS range, and like thalamin range, and old peak range, slope range, and like calcium range. In this kind of details we will giving to my system. My system will be predicted to that. In these details to consider that in this person having heart disease or not. That is our prediction, right? Giving the one kind of input. Based on the input, the patient will affected or not. That is the output, right? Now I showing this example for this one. So this is our predicting system, right? Now I will passing the input data, like looping, like most of the people know. So what is looping and what will we do looping, right? So now I run this one. So input data, like I will giving the input one by one. For example, okay. So we call this one head, okay. Head x dot head is one kind of data variable. So now I run this one. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah. So this is our input data. Now I am giving the input one by one. In this input details, my system is predicting to that that person having a heart disease or not. That is the thing that my system will predict it, right? Once I run this one, so first entering the age. So I will age is then 65, and next one gender. What is his gender? Like 1 is a female, 0 is a male, like that. So CP range is I am giving randomly. Okay, I am giving randomly, right? So 34 or 56, 7, 3, 8, 7. And 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 54, and 24, 33, like slope percent 561, and the calcium range is what is that, 34 also, and 2. Yeah. So what is our output? The person has heart disease. Based on this input data, based on this report like details, the person will affected or not. That is our output, right? Do you understand? Do you understand this? In this project, we will checking the heart disease of affected people or not. That is the thing we will checking in this project. It's an example for data science project, right? So next one, we are move on to the. So next one is an image processing. So image processing is an to detect. It's a best example, mostly used in this one in artificial intelligence, right? In this artificial intelligence, OpenCV is most important topic of artificial intelligence. In OpenCV, to detect the image or live video which kind of object are there, like object or our human's face. In this kind of things we will detect, like the system will be detect. That is called as an OpenCV is in computer vision. So most of the things in this concept will basic we are all know. What is basic in this one we are all know. So I will show the example of this one also. Okay, yeah, object detection. It is one kind of project of object detection. Object detection is we will pose giving to them kind of image data. My system will understand which kind of object presented in that image. That is the thing we will detect, like what is that, understand. So now I run this one. First I will installing the OpenCV library, computation library. Then I will importing these libraries also. So NumPy and CVQ and IMShow, like that. So next I will creating a code of this one. So first one is loading the image like input the image data. Next I will creating the models. Prototext is one kind of model path, and creating classes, object names is a background, and the aeroplane, bicycle, bird, boat, bus, car. These are all is one kind of classes. These are all comes mentioned at the object. In this object presented or not, that is the thing we will discussing, like predictor, right? So using the NumPy and CVQ, grading the image, detecting the objects. First our data are converting into the NumPy type, like array type. This kind of things understand with the array type, then only it shows like a image, right? So do you see that there are persons are there, multiple persons are there. In all kind of persons to execute that, like this kind of person, this also a person. It's not mentioned in a gender, it's just detected it's a known person also. Person only the system will be detected. And it's also like that, like dining table, so table will be detected also. I mentioned the class, which classes are presented in this image. That is the thing my system will be detected. Okay. So this is the example for object detection as well as OpenCV, right? So next one, artificial intelligence. So next one is artificial intelligence. It is used for artificial intelligence. Most of us currently working with our till now. I will shivering, right? So artificial intelligence is an human versus machine interaction. That is called as an artificial intelligence, right? So same like that. Now I am me and my system will interaction is called as an artificial intelligence, right? So now I show you lively two example for this one. Sorry to say, like in my VS Code having some screen problem, like by changing my theme in next session. So in this session you can adjust that. Okay, sorry for that. So first I will create some basics packages to use to create my digital virtual assistant. Okay, once I run this, my system will talking to me. So first he is greetings to me and to ask to me how can I help you. That is the thing I ask, and I will say to my command what can I say. My system will understand and answer to me. That is the thing we will do, right? So now run this one. Okay, wait a second. Okay.
Good evening. I am Edith, sir. Please tell me how can I help you?
Do you hear the voice? My system will speak to me. First we will greetings to me, and next I will my system will asking to me. So how can I help you? Right. First I will asking the time, asking the current time. So I will say to time, my system will answer to me, right? So what is the time exactly is said to me, right? So first I will shade time. So wait a second.
Sir, the time is 18 hours 40 minutes and 32 seconds.
The system will answer to me like what is the time is now. The time will be executed, like the time is 6:40, right? that time my system will say to me, right? So next one I will ask open in web application, right? I will asking like open YouTube, like open Google. These are all things I will say, my system will do that, right? So first I will say YouTube. So open YouTube. Yeah, exactly, like Siri also. So in Apple iPhone and Google Assistant, same like that. So now I said to open YouTube, automatically my system will open the YouTube page, right? System will open the YouTube page. So now next I will ask Google. Okay, I will say Google, automatically my system will open Google. Okay. So wait a second. The listening will come, then only I can say, right? Oh, sorry, it's again YouTube. Open Google. That is my system's voice. I am creating my personal digital system, digital AI, right? My system talking to me, right? Now I said one kind of command, my system will do, right? Yeah, exactly. Oh, screen is unavailable. No, voice. I will tell to my voice. Okay, I said open Google, my Google is open. I say to open YouTube, YouTube also open, right? I'm not type, I'm just tell to voice only, right? So again I will check giving to one open Facebook. Oh, sorry, wait a second. Okay, same like that. Open Facebook. Yeah, do you see that the Facebook is also open? So this is the thing, like again I will set one open photo. Now I tell to photo, automatically my photo will be displays that. Okay, thank you sir, thank you for your response. Yeah, do you see that my photo is also displays like that. In this photo to like available in my system, right? So my system to my assistant to taking my taking my image in my system to taking to displays that, right? Yeah, of course I will give my input, I give my voice to the input, my system will understand and reply to me. So there are some libraries are there, right? Wait a second. Do you see that this is our major library? Do you all are clear the screen? Like PyText 3 and speech recognition in one kind of a package having one, what is that? One action. So PyText 3 to detect the voice and speech recognition. PyText 3 is my system's voice to generate my system voice. Speech recognition to understand my voice in system, and date time is current date, what is the current date and time to understand in system wise. And web browser, you accessing the web applications. OS system in my system, built-in function like photo, music, these are all things available in my system, right? So that is the thing. OS is an operating system. SMTP lib also open the one kind of web application. No, I will just ask time only, right? Yeah, all kind of voice my system will be understand, not only my voice only. Okay, anyone can speak, my system will be speak to us. Okay, so do you all understand this one? So this is the example for artificial intelligence. Okay. Yeah, definitely. If you get the internship, you have get the all kind of my presentations, my recording videos, and my working notebooks. Also, you will get. Okay. So next one, installation process. No, just creating a basic things. Okay, just creating basic things. It's open web applications, and my images, what will like which kind of things I will mention this code, that is the thing will be do, right? So first you will see that first thing I will greetings to me. Next I will open, what is that? Open web applications, YouTube, Google, Stack Overflow, Facebook. These are all things. These are all web applications, right? So next one is an open in system, built-in functions, like what is that? Built-in applications, music, time, code, and photo. These are all things available in my system, not web application. These are all things available in system. So automatically these are things do, right? Okay, so it's just on basic, right? It's not on advanced. It's just some basic things to create this. What is that? Virtual assistant. If you get the internship, you all get this kind of all kind of codes and notebook presentations also. All understand? Same like that. Okay. So next one. Python installation. So maximum of people know so how to install Python, right? So again I will tell you this one. So don't about this one, kindly listen this one, right? So before that, again I will reply, what is that? Remind to you, if you can convert this masterclass into internship, benefits of the internship is 30 days recording sessions, 30 days presentations you will get, and exclusive projects codes also you will get, VVIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, 90 days of LMS course access, assignment plus task we will give you, and weekly live sessions available, and resume building, mock test, and internship and participant certificate we will be provide to you. And this registration fees is a 1,999, but we will offering to you discount fees is 899 only. The registration link posted on chat box and description also. If you have interested, kindly join with our internship, right? So the internship will ends on coming 17, so don't miss this offer. And again, remind you, we will offering 3-in-1 bundle course. In this bundle course, having machine learning, artificial intelligence, and AWS in Python. What is the benefits of in this bundle course? So 90 days recording sessions, 90 days presentations, same like that, exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, 1 year validity, assignment plus task, 4 weekly live sessions, 3 internship and participation certificate we will be provided to you, right? So in this registration fees 2,999, but we will offering 2 discount fees 1,299. So in this registration link also we will post it on this chat box plus this description. If you have interested, kindly use this offer. Okay. So most of people know how to installing the Python, right? So Python installation is, you go and open the browser. Where is that? Okay. So I show you lively. So open the browser and type download Python, right? I download Python. The first initial link will be comes to you. So click on the first link. You are going to the first home page of Python. If you want the latest version, kindly click this one. Is the latest version updated to in every version? If you want previous version, you scroll down the page. Automatically the previous versions are available in that. These are all previous version. You click this download button, automatically is downloaded into your system, right? Once I click this one, automatically is downloaded in this what is that? Download the exe file. Once it's downloaded, you are going to checking your downloads. This is my installing Python. Okay, once you download it and click to open that. So I already have this Python, so that is the reason the upgrade now to remain to me. If you are newly download this one, you go on, what is that? Yeah. You follow this method. Okay, you follow this method, then you can installing the Python, right? Click the exe file and click this two options, install launcher and all users, add Python path. These two options you will select it and install now. Automatically the Python will be installed, right? Okay, so next one, Python IDLE. IDLE is an integrated development and learning environment. It is the default application of Python. Once you download it, the Python, you go and check and search in your system. with the ideally. Type ideally, automatically what is your version, same like that ideally also comes to the same version. Okay, once you open this one, it executed like that. You will the Python version, which kind of version also mentioned, and when the Python will be released, the timing also mentioned this time. So this is the one kind of offline like platform, also code writing platform. So once you type the words, that is also executed. So print, what is that? Hello world. I'm sorry. Print hello world. Now I enter this one, automatically is replied instantly. Same like that. 10, I will adding some calculator, like 10 plus 100, 110. So it is interactive mode. It is called as interactive mode. Instantly the answer will be output will be comes. That is the IDLE platform. Then next one is an IDE. So next one, Python IDE, it is called as an integrated development environment. It is an like online IDEs. That is offline IDE. This is an online IDE. The multiple platforms are there. PyCharm, like most of the people you know. So what is this this kind of things? So PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and what is that? Spider, Jupyter, Vim, GNU, Emacs, Notepad, Eclipse. These are all some kind of editors, code writing editors. Okay, it is online editors, right? So I will prefer to you Collaboratory, Google Colab. Already I show you the example for hard disks and object reduction. So that is the thing. The Google Collaboratory too easy to understand and writing the code. I prefer to in this one, in this IDE. Okay. So next in tomorrow's session we will discussing about basics of Python, right? So if most of the people know what is basics things, right? But some other people saw that. So again we will recall these structures, data structures and Python basics. Then we are move on to the advanced concept. Okay. So totally the data structures are two types of that. One is a primitive and is another one is a non-primitive. Okay, primitive is a string, boolean, integer and float. Non-primitive is a list, tuple, set and dictionary. So these things also comes to the basics Python. So most of the people you know. So what is these are all things, right? So next one, same like that. Data set is also available in built-in data and user-defined data. Two kind of methods are there. Built-in data is called as a list, dictionary, tuple and set. Okay, you don't know about basics. Okay, no issue. So again I will continue like teaching you. Again I will recall this by Python basics. 1 or 2 days we were discussing this Python basics also. Okay, so don't worry about that. So yeah, built-in function is an already defaultly this kind of functions available in Python. User defined is in users convenient to user create this kind of data structures, that is called user defined data structures. For example, user defined data structures are stack, queue, tree, linked list, graph and hash map. These are all things is a user defined data structure. Okay, do you understand? Yeah, exactly. I already told, right? In my preference, I will use Google Collaboratory, right? Then only I will prefer to you. Which one you want, you take and use with that, right? Okay. So finally, I will again remind to you. You can convert in this masterclass into 1 month internship. So what is the benefits of the internship? 30 days recording sessions, 30 days presentations, exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, 90 days of LMS course access, assignment plus task, weekly live sessions, plus resume building and a mock test, internship participation certificates also we will be provide to you. And this registration fee, discount fees is $899. The registration link will post it on chat box plus description. So if you got interested, go and check this one, right? So next one, you can also join with our 3-in-1 bundle course. The courses are present available courses in machine learning, artificial intelligence and AWS in Python. In this bundle course benefits are 90 days recording session, 90 days presentation, exclusive project codes, VIP community group, internship confirmation letter, 1 year validity of this course, assignment plus task, 4 live sessions, 3 internship certificates, like internship plus participant certificates are provided to you. So in this bundle course fee seasons 1299. So in this registration link also provided, posted on description plus chat box. Go and check with us. This offer will ends with on coming 17th, so don't miss that. Okay, thank you all. I hope you all understand this one. If you have any queries, kindly contact our coordinator. If you have any doubts of this session, you will ask to the next session. Definitely I will reply to you. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for your response, and thank you for your patience. Thank you all. We will meet with the next session. Which extension is used for that AI voice application? That is PyText 3. The AI voice package is in PyText 3. Some kind of package is available in Google. Go and search with an AI voice application. PyText 3 will be giving to you. Thank you all. Thank you for your response, and thank you for your support also. Kindly follow our masterclass, then only you can understand. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, definitely, sir. Again, we will send it the WhatsApp group link.